I don't know how to do these.
You don't?
I don't know. I'm just sucking it in.
You have to suck it in. Otherwise it won't work.
Hello. Today I'm joining no, I'm not joining, it's you who are joining.
I am joining in her video.
Yeah.
I'm Ruby, by the way, if you didn't know.
Alright, so today we're gonna make a video with helium.
We're just gonna tell jokes to each other.
Yeah.
That didn't work.
I didn't.
With helium voices.
That didn't work
That
either.
didn't work either.
What do men and beer have in common?
What do they-
have in common?
What do men and beer have in common? It's a bit sexist.
What do they have in common?
They are both empty from the head and up. No, from the neck and up. Sorry guys. Had to use it.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Bet.
That who?
Bet you can't guess who I am.
Oh my god, that's so funny!
Holy shit.
Mama, that's
Said little Johnny.
He says he's collecting for senior citizens. Do you think we should hide Grandpa?
It's so funny. Why was Cinderella thrown off the basketball team?
I don't know why.
She ran away from the ball.
Oh my god. Kidding. That's a good one.
A wife and a husband are texting each other. The wife says the windows are frozen. Then the husband says maybe you should pour some water on them. She texts back, now the computer is totally broken. Oh my god. Please laugh.
Ha, ha, ha.
It's so funny, she doesn't know how to laugh anymore.
Oh my god. Alright.
How did the blood try to kill the bird?
I don't know
How?
She threw it off a cliff.
Oh my god.
When do you stop at green and drive at red?
I don't know when.
When you eat a watermelon.
Oh, that was so Smurfish.
Yeah, I
Smurfish.
know. I love this voice. Can I have it forever? Yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
Why did Mickey go to outer space? Oh, that was good.
I don't know. Why did Mickey go to outer space?
To find Pluto. The first
A dad is asking his son, son, which country is next to the USA? The son is answering USB.
Oh my god.
He's so clever, the son. USB, of course.
What a bad joke.
Kill yourself, Ruby.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, I don't want to do this anymore. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Please go to Ruby's channel. I just popped my eye.
I want to see it.
Well. This video has come to an end. please go to Ruby's channel where we did another video with helium and it was so fun.
It's gonna be really fun.
Please give Ruby a thumbs up on her channel, subscribe to her channel, and sooner or later I'm gonna make another video.
Yes.
In some days time.
I think I'm gonna throw up about this.
I think I'm gonna do that too when I'm...
Kids, this is not healthy for your brain because I actually have a headache and I have the feeling.
I had that too.
I'm going.
I think we have to.
Bye.
I think we have to drink some water. All right. I think we want to have a...
If you know what that is, comment.
How did... Hvad skal vi ikke have meget, faktisk?